Hello everyone, I hope I find you well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be doing something, I don't know, maybe you might think that is confusing, but yeah, it's okay. If you master Ndebele well, you'll be able to use those confusing words and you understand them very well. So today I'm going to be like doing a little bit of confusing words, but let's hope you learn them and you get them into your head. So the first one is here. La, sleep, lala, sleep there, lala le, sleep here, lala la, listen, la le la, listen here, la le la la, sleep over there, la le la le, listen here, sleep over there, la le la la le. Yeah, let's hope you understand these words so that you can we can grow together. If you're able to do these words today, I assure you by the end of maybe 3 months, you'll be able to speak Ndebele fluently. Thank you.